in the middle of January of 2010. I woke up and I couldn't move at all. If I would walk even 5 steps, I'd be in pain, excruciating so bad I'd just be crying. I went for my MRI, and within half an hour I wasn't even home, and Dr. Johnson was calling me saying, "We need to have surgery right now."
We had gotten a lumbar MRI scan for Cynthia, and we're trying to come up with some explanations for her pain.
They said some of my discs had ruptured, or at least one of them had ruptured, and it looked pretty bad. He ended up moving his schedule around, so within 12 hours I was in surgery in the operating room, getting everything fixed. I was in the hospital for 5 days afterwards, and then I was sent home after, and just for recovery. I did some physical therapy up at the Neuroscience Group, and then I saw Dr. Johnson for follow-up, and within 8 weeks I was back to work. Everything was great, and then I slipped and fell and re-injured some nerves.
She was seeing one of our physiatrists or pain specialists to help her manage her pain, had unfortunately been started on some narcotic medications to help because of the severity of her pain, and still she was having to miss work and having trouble enjoying the usual things of her life because of the pain that she had. So we ended up settling on a surgical option to treat her pain specifically in her spine and in her back. Referred back to me by our pain specialist for a permanent implantation of a lead that would stay in the spine, and an inserted battery pack that would stay inside of her as well, that lasts for 7 years and provides a warm, tingly sensation, so it replaces the pain with another kind of sensation that's not unpleasant and quite tolerable.
My neurostimulator that I have now is about the size of a pager, and it's implanted right above my left hip, up against my spinal cord, and then I have some electrodes that go up into like right about my shoulder level, and the electrodes kind of sutured right to my spinal cord, and they turn different ones on and off to alleviate different pains. Extremely satisfied. I love Dr. Johnson. If I could say anything to him, I'd say thank you for giving me my life back and letting me be a mom again.